Okay, so here it is. This is my Publix body slam for the day. I body slammed them basically. It is $200.96 worth of product, and they paid me $25.21. So this was three different transactions, three different Publixes. Where I live, there's 9 Publix within 15 minutes of me. Um, got some Tena feminine pads. I got this spaghetti sauce. I've got yogurt, Betty Crocker, cake, donut mix, whatever you want to call it. The old Elpaso Taco mix, probiotics cereal. Got Purina Bella, 12 dog treats, and a bunch of Crunchmaster crackers, and some Tums. So all in total, it was $200.96 with tax and everything. Obviously stuff was on sale, so that was the full price. And out the door, I got paid $25.21. I think I got like $14 one time, $6 the next time, and like $4 the next time. All the details are in the description of how I did this. They're in this description section, just that little arrow under the video. And I definitely used Visa gift cards. I used digital coupons as well as paper coupons for manufacturer coupons as store coupons. I also used ibotta, and that's it. Yeah, look at my check out my other videos right here. About right here. Yeah, that's all the times I got paid to shop, and then subscribe to my channel right there, and for more cool information. Basically, that's how you do it.